Hello friends, I am Nikhil Chorsia. Welcome to my new video. Now today my topic is types of bag house bag filters. इसके पहले भी हमने एक वीडियो बनाई है टाइप्स ऑफ डस्ट कलेक्टर्स के ऊपर। अगर उसे अभी तक आपने नहीं देखा है तो मैं उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगा, आप वहां से जाकर देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू कर लेते हैं। बैग फिल्टर्स स्लैश बैग हाउस। Filter bag collectors use filter bags to capture and separate harmful particulates, dust, and other contaminants. They are very versatile and easily be modified to fit almost any need. When properly maintained, they are very durable. They are not suitable for most wet or moist contaminants and do require regular maintenance. Bag house types are classified by cleaning method. The three most prominent types are reverse air, gas cleaning, pulse jet, compressed air cleaning, shaker, mechanical cleaning. Reverse air bag house RABH. RA bag house are compartmentalized so bags can be cleaned offline by stopping the dirty gas flow and backwashing the compartment with low pressure air from a separate fan. Cleaning action is very gentle which lengthens bag life. Dust collects on the inside of the bags. The bags are held to by tension spring at the top and have anti-collapse rings sewn into them to prevent pancaking during cleaning. Components of reverse air bag house. Isolation dampers, filter bags tensioning system, anti-collapse ring on bags, reverse air fan. Advantages. RA bag house are typically compartmentalized, allowing sections to be cleaned without shutting off the whole system. Cleaning action is very gentle which lengthens bag's life. Preferred for high temperatures due to gentle cleaning action. Disadvantages. Cleaning air must be filtered, provided no effective means for removing residual dust buildup. Requires more maintenance than other types due to dust reentrayment on the bags. Pulse jet bag house. In this type of bag house, a high pressure jet of air is used to remove dust from bags supported by rings or metal cages. Bags in a PJ bag house can be cleaned online. Dust collects on the outside of the bags. To write bag house, round with an automated rotating arms to distribute compressed air row by row, are a type of PJ fabric filters. Components of pulse jet bag house. Compressed air source, compressed air storage header, solenoid valve, diaphragm valve, blowpipe. Advantages: cleaning mechanism allows PJ Baghouse to be cleaned while the system is online. More complete cleaning than shaker or reverse air baghouse, lengthening bag life. Operates the lower pressure drops and while lower space requirements. Disadvantages: requires the use of dry compressed air, requires special fabric for higher temperatures, cannot tolerate high moisture levels or humidity in exhaust gases. Shaker baghouse. Cleaning shaker baghouse takes considerable more energy and more time than other designs, so they are used less often than RA or PJ. Like RA, the compartments of a shaker baghouse must be cleaned offline. Components of shaker baghouse: attachments for top and bottom of each bags, movable frame or which bags are hugs, soft and rod attached with external motor. Advantages: design and operation simplicity, can be compartmentalized to allow sections to be cleaned without shutting off the whole system. Disadvantages: cannot operate in high temperatures, more energy and time intensive than other cleaning methods. Small amount of positive pressure inside the bags can sufficiently reduce collection efficiency. Large footprints and space requirements and requires a large numbers of bags. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.